Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to contact support in VistaCreate. Open up a preferred web browser and head over to VistaCreate website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. In the top right corner of your screen, you can see your profile icon. Click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Help option. This will direct you to VistaCreate Help Center, where you can search for guides or frequently asked questions. You can also submit a support request. Go to the home page and click on Contact Support button. Fill out the form with the email address on this field and subject here. Select the category by clicking on this drop-down menu. Then write the description here. You can also add an operating system version. And you can also attach the attachment here. After that, click on Submit to submit your report. Once submitted, the support team will contact you via email with a response. After contacting support, monitor your email for follow-up message from VistaCreate support. So that is how you can contact support in VistaCreate. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.